and we will be starting our first session for today, the fitness session. We are very happy to have with us today a very renowned, a very well-known fitness expert from Ahmedabad, Ruju Desai ma'am. She has joined us today, and I would request her to please come on the dais, ma'am. So before I hand over the stage to ma'am, I would request Aneri, if you have joined, please give a brief introduction. I know ma'am does not require an introduction in Ahmedabad, but since people from all over the country and even from Ivory Coast, West Africa, and even from Sweden, they are watching live. So it is important to have a brief introduction of the ma'am. Please, Aneri, you can go with the introduction. Yeah.
Good morning to one and all. Did we ever think that chairs, tables, benches, cushions that we use to sit, chill, and relax can actually help us burn that pizza pasta fat around our belly? And the answer to this is yes. The fitness industry has evolved so much that we can definitely exercise well and be fit with all these minimal equipments or with zero cost and zero expense. That is what we are going to do today, and that is what we are going to learn from Ruju ma'am, right? So this Sunday binge session, we all have Sunday binge in our diet, right? So today's session will be like a Sunday binge session with a lot of fun, and especially when I know that Ruju, I have been in her workshops personally. So what is home workout? Home workout is an exercise program that can be done using no equipments or certain equipments that are found in our homes, and that too in a circuit training form. So circuit training is a fast-based body conditioning workout combined with strength training and high-intensive exercises created in a form of circuit. So, of course, as Harit sir told that we don't need any introduction of Ruju ma'am, but still to take this privilege to introduce ma'am, she is a fitness enthusiast and an expert, having enriched experience in the field of Zumba aerobics and dance fitness routine for past 20 years. Our certified fitness expert and nutritionist is a mother to 20-year-old daughter. But trust me, Ruju ma'am herself looks like she's in her. She has taken her passion to a higher notch by teaching fitness and consulting as a coach to many reputed clubs in Ahmedabad, like Sports Club, Rajpath Club, Gymkhana. She has conducted workshops in MNCs like Colgate, Palmolive, etc., and also have been part of events hosted by Ahmedabad Mirror, Ahmedabad University, Rajkot Ladies event by Times of India, Samvedna NGO, and many, many more. She has served as judge to many esteemed colleges, schools, and clubs. And Ruju ma'am has spread her wings fully and achieved so many laurels in her life. Just to name few of them, she has been featured in Femina magazine for twice. She has been featured on TV9 and GSTV channel for special episodes on Garba and fitness routine, especially when we are Gujus and being part of Ahmedabad, we can't forget to have Garba routine. And she has been recently awarded as Women Achievers Award in fitness category, Indian Women Achievers Award 2021. A big applause to Ruju ma'am. Thank you so much that you are part of our Fitness Carnival Movement 73, and we are all here to learn from you. Let's rock it.
Thank you, Aneri. Before I hand over the stage to ma'am, we have a small memento to be handed over to ma'am. So, Bishan bhai, if you can please join me in.
Thank you,
ma'am.
so much.
Welcome.
It's a proud moment for us because Ruju ma'am is my schoolmate and we listen her in prayers of the school. Great to see you. Proud moment. Thank you.
Thank you
very much.
so much. As well. Feeling same.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Ekdam steady, and just to refresh you all on Sunday and to pep you up and to charge you up. Yeah. So I'll play the music. If you don't hear the sound, just message or whatever. Authentic, original, and better than outright. going. થોડું રખાશે બહુ જ સ્લો થઈ ગયું. Slide. And up. Jog. If you are not comfortable with jog, you can do simple march. Little bounce, simple march. Little more higher. And can we add jumping jack? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1. Can we do faster? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. March. March. One more round. Simple jog. Simple jog. And add jumping jack. 10 more. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. So I hope everybody has what is been instructed. Water bottles, small table, cushions, and napkins. Yes, I've already instructed to take keep these things ready. So I hope everybody has all those things which is easily available at your home. And this workout actually we developed during online sessions during pandemic. So this is a good side effect of pandemic, that we have all the workouts using every equipment or things available at your place, at your home. You can use your sofa, you can use your chair, bed, everything. Every possible thing you can use and do workout. Okay, so let's start. Just keep everything handy. So what I am showing you, just first see, watch, observe. If you don't understand, I don't know how to connect to me. I am there to help. So what is circuit? I am giving you 2 to 3 to 5 workouts, and you have to keep repeating those workouts at the interval of 30 seconds or 1 minute. Yeah, so I'll show you the workout using those equipment, and then we'll start doing one by one, one after the other. And I will see to the time limit. And when I say change, you can change the workout from one to another. And it is very simple and very easily followable for everybody joining us. So if you have a table here at your place, anything, आपके बाथरूम में अगर छोटा सा पाटला भी है शार के लिए, that also you can use. Just put something mat or something and put the patla on it, so it is not going to move. Okay, fine. So what we can do is, we can do up and down, up and down. This is your first exercise. Yes, up and down is your first exercise, right? Second exercise, use 1 liter bottles. You need to have 2 bottles for 2 hands. Yes, what you do, just stretch up with the bottle and touch down. Do not bend your knees, just up and try to touch down on the floor. Yes, up, down, up, down. So first is up and down, second using the water bottle, going up and down. Yes, what you do third, you do plank on the floor, on your elbow, on your toes, and you do plank. I'll show you sideways. This is the plank position. No mountaining, no arching. Body is in one line. Your shoulder joint and your elbow joint also in one line. Yes. So first exercise up and down. Second exercise, hands going up and touch down. Third exercise, Euro plank. Fourth exercise, get two napkins. Yeah. What do you do? Okay, one is enough right now. Okay. So you become you go down, take a palm plank position, and your napkin. Put your toes on the napkin. Palm plank position. Get your napkin in. This is a carpet, so it is not getting in because it's not a smooth surface. But I hope everywhere, wherever you are standing, the surface is normal, tiles or something else. So slide the napkin with the help of your toes in and out. I'll try again. No, it's not coming because it's a carpet, so it's not getting in. Yeah, surface. Yeah. So if the surface is like a table or something. Yeah. Thank you. Just a second, please. ना अभी नहीं वाले तो बात नहीं वाले. So you get the napkin in and get the napkin out. Slide your napkin in and slide it out. Slide in and slide out. Doing this, don't make sure you don't do mountains. Your butt, you have to hold your butt, you have to hold your abs. Just get the napkin in and get the napkin out. You are moving only your lower body, upper body is steady and straight. Yes? So can we start one by one program? I'll instruct you and you keep changing the workout. We do this for 5 sets. Ready, guys? We'll start with 30 seconds first. Let's see. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you are listening to me properly. So this is the 4 seconds I'm starting. So we'll start with the up and down thing. Here, get ready, and your time starts now. Till 30 seconds, just do up and down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. You can go faster. If you're fit enough, go faster. Go faster. Go faster. Yes? 30 seconds. 5 more seconds to go. And that's it. Stop. Now, come to the water bottle. Okay, fine. I'll do it. Sorry. Your time starts now. Start. Go up, touch down. Up, touch down. Plank. So we'll do plank. Just be on the floor, your elbows down. Hold the position for 30 counts. Your time starts now. Go 1. Yes. Hold. Hold. Just hold your body. Pull your ab in. Keep holding your ab in. Make sure your body is in one line for 30 seconds. 15 seconds over. Hold it. Hold it. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hold it. Hold it. Make sure your body is in one line. Hold your ab. Keep your butt low. 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. Come on. 5 more seconds. And that's it. Stop. Okay. Now it comes to sliding the napkin with your toes. So you be in a position of palm plank. Yes, palm plank. Your toes on the napkin, palms on the floor. Then your knees slide and out. Yes. So your time starts now. Go in, out. Go in, out. Go in, out. Go in, out. 15 seconds over. In, out. In, out. In. 5 more seconds. Come on, keep holding it. In, out. And that's it. Okay. So this is the program. You can keep repeating just for 30 to 40 minutes. Right now, I want to give you the feeling how it feels in your body. So if we do for 5 more rounds, yes, I take it as a yes because I can't see anything. Yes? Okay. So we start again. Again. Up and down. Fast or slow, you decide. Your time starts now. 30 seconds. Up and down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Twenty seconds gone. Come on, come on, come on. You can do better. And that's it. Hold. Stop. Come to the water bottle. You have to do up and touch down workout for 30 seconds. Yeah? And our time starts now. Start. Circuit is you keep switching the program one by one, non-stop. I will give you break after the whole set of exercises over. Keep doing, keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. All 4 exercises over. I'll give you break for 30 seconds. Five more seconds. And stop. Get down on the floor. We have to do plank. Simple plank. Elbow plank. And your time starts now. Come on, guys. Hold your body. Pull your ab in. Pull your ab in. Pull your ab in. Make sure your body is in one line. No mounting. Hold your butt down. 10 more seconds. Any exercise to know? Any exercise to know? Any exercise you are comfortable or not? Guys, you are comfortable with the workout? Let me know. Stop. Stop. 30 seconds over. You are comfortable with the workout? Fine. If you have any issues, put message to the person next to me. I will get the message. Okay. Now, come in the plank position. For next, you have to keep your toes on the napkin, you have to slide your napkin out and in. And your time starts now. બદલું તો પેલામાં એક આ નાખો ને એક આ નાખો તો કદાચ બંને
માઇક
ચાલે.
સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ ગયો.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, but the music is not audible, right? I'll hold the iPad also. Yeah. Then let me know the music is audible or not. Yeah. સંભળાય છે? It's full volume. Okay, guys. So we'll start the third round of the same circuit program. Yes, and we are going to do this for 5 to 6 rounds. So we'll start with up and down on the table, the small table. Yeah. So your time starts now. Come on, guys. Up and down. I hope I am audible enough and people are enjoying. The music is only to enjoy. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. 5 more seconds. And stop. So now we come to our bottle walkout. Yeah. Get the water bottle and your time starts now. This is the third round we are doing. I want to do 2 more minimum. I hope you are getting the effect. You are feeling it. I have combined cardio, core and upper body in the same program in form of your home workout session. Come on, guys. Keep going, keep going. 5 more seconds. Stop. Okay, now it comes to our plank position. 30 seconds plank. Make sure your elbow and your wrist is in one line. Your body is in one line. You hold your ab. You stay low with your butt. And your time starts now. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. We can do better. We can make our Sunday happier. Keep moving, guys. Ten more seconds. Five more seconds. And that's it, that's it. Stop. Okay, now we come to our napkin workout. Take your position on your palm plank, on your palms, toes on the napkin, and your time starts now. Get the napkin in, bend your knees, move your toes, move the napkin in, and move it out. Make sure your butt doesn't go up. Don't lift your butt. Move the napkin in, move the napkin out for 30 seconds. Keep going, guys. I can't see you, but I'm sure you all are doing it. I would love to see you all, whoever is following this program. And stop. Okay, so we have 30 seconds break again. 3 rounds over. Can we do 2 more rounds? Yes. I take it as a yes because I can't see anybody. Any comment? Please message. Your time starts now for the resting time. So I always walk. In resting time also, I always walk. You can have water. You can sip some water. I hope you all are enjoying. Please give feedback. You can give feedback. You can message during workout also when you are resting. So I would come to know what to do next. Okay, nice workout. Thank you so much. You can message anything if you don't like it or if you want to improve. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I wish I could see everybody. Okay, it is already 45 seconds. Can we begin our fourth round? We'll do 5 rounds. That's enough. We will change after 5 rounds. Yeah. Okay. So go to your table, small table, and your time starts now. Up and down speed is up to you, totally up to you. Whatever speed is comfortable, just keep going. That's a cardio for you. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, guys, keep going. 10 more seconds. And stop. Your time starts. Sorry, your time is over. Okay. Now come to the bottle workout. Pick up your bottles and do up and down. Your time starts now. Get the water bottle, lift up, stretch, and touch down. Try to touch down on the floor without bending your knees. Your knees should be soft enough. Don't lock your knees, just keep them soft. Touch down and stretch up. Touch down and stretch up. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And stop. Now, the plank position. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, ready, everybody? And our time starts now. Elbow plank. Focus on your core. Your core should be pulled in. Make sure your body is in one line. You hold your butt down. Do not let your butt go up. Don't lift your body from the center. Hold your position. Hold your core. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hold your core. Keep breathing. Stop. Okay, we'll talk about this into resting session. One more workout to go. One more workout to go. Make sure your toes are above the napkin. You are in palm plank position. Your palms on the floor. Straight hands, and your time starts now. Pull the napkin in and pull it, and then out. In and out. Bend your knees when you take the napkin in. Make sure your butt doesn't go up. They have to be low. Get the napkin in, get it out. Speed is not a concern. You can go on your own speed. Just get it in, get it out, and that's it. Yes. Now tell me, what are the messages I am getting? Yeah.
Can we have just 4 rounds?
Okay, so this is like normal common message.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So this was the fourth round. I hope you are getting that fitness feel in your body by now. You can message me and we can switch the workout from this circuit to something else, right?
Second question, can you have some exercises again? Can you show exercises again?
This same exercises?
उनका अभी तक आंसर नहीं आया.
Okay. I will show. These exercises we are not repeating for now because 4 rounds are over.
Please repeat the napkin exercise.
Okay. You want to repeat napkin exercise? They want me to show. Okay, fine.
And another is how to improve plank.
Right. First, I will show you napkin exercise. Wait. So here where I am standing, the floor is not so supportive. So maybe I am not able to show actually what I want to show. It should be a little smooth surface. So your napkin is sliding very easily with the toes. So what you get is lower body workout and upper body, because you are holding your upper body on your palm plank position, and your legs are bending in and going straight. So mainly you are focusing on your core. Along with that, your calf, your hamstring, and a little bit of your quadricep muscle are also working. Yes. How? So put a napkin on the floor, your palms on the floor, your toes on the napkin. Now you have to move your toes and napkin along with in and out. Can you see this? In and out. See, I am not doing this. No mountain. Sorry. It's difficult. एक second. Yeah. It's difficult with the mic. You get that? I'll get the message. No problem.
Then okay. One suggestion is there. Can you also do exercise so they can see?
I'm doing it. No, I don't understand this.
Yes, also do exercise. We can see and
Acha. Okay. I got it.
break.
With mic and okay, fine. To fix up this. Nothing through. Done? Okay. So I'm changing the workout patterns with same equipments, whatever you have, right? So what do you do here? I'll show you two workouts. You can do any of them. One is squat. You put one leg on the table and one leg down. Squat, switch, squat. Switch your leg and do squat. Switch your leg and do squat. See, for best workout result, try when I'm showing it to you, try with me. Yeah, that is the best way you can learn. So what do you do? Let's do it again. What do you do? One leg is on the table, one is on the floor. Make sure your both the legs are in one line, toes in one line. You do squat and switch. Again do squat and switch your leg. Squat, switch your leg. Squat, switch your leg. Can we do this? Now, is it okay? Do you follow? Yeah? Perfect. Second workout with water bottle. What do you do? So, you sit down, make a butterfly with your legs. Can you see? Butterfly legs. Now hold both the water bottle in your hands like this. I'll go sideways. Picture? Hold both the water bottles like this. Just sleep down and lift up. Everything goes with butterfly legs. So your legs are not moving. You are sleeping down with the water bottle and lifting up. Holding water bottle is the purpose. You don't put your hands on the floor while lifting up. Then it doesn't serve the purpose of workout. So hold the water bottle, Go down and lift up. Go down and lift up. Please do with me so you can follow it very well when we do circuit program. One more time. All together. Go down and up. Go down and up. Yeah. So I hope you all are following. Yes. Next workout. That is without anything, any equipments. So what you do is you stay down. Yes. Just go down. This is this is called a bridge position. This is called a bridge pose. Try to touch your ankles and your legs are your shoulder width apart. Normal distance between legs. Now hold, touch your ankles, lift up your butt. Lift up your butt. Yeah. And tap your toes. Please do with me so you can follow better. Yeah. So you are tapping your toes, holding your butt lifted up. Hands down on the floor. Just tap your toes. Now try to tap your heels. Yes. Okay. What you can do now with variation, just tap your knees. Everything, your butt is lifted up. You are doing knees tapping or toe tapping or heel tapping. Your focus is on your butt, should be lifted up on the same level. It should not move like this. Hold your butt on the same level and then you keep tapping your heels or toes or your knees, whatever I say. Yes. And then you put your butt down slowly, gradually. And then when you want to come up, hold one of your thighs and come up so your back doesn't get any jerk. I hope everybody is following. Yeah.
Last one seemed much advanced.
Last one seemed much advanced. Okay. Okay. It's gone. Camera set. That's okay. That's okay. Yes. Barabar. હવે napkin ma, you can use both the napkins, and which is very difficult for me to show it to you. આની ઉપર હું બતાવું. મને અહીંયા ફોકસ કરો. આમાં તમારું napkin નહીં બી પથ્થર પડી ગઈ. It's okay. So your position is same. I'm trying to explain it to you. So एक second. हाँ बस same ज रखो. So position is same like this. Now here the surface is not supporting, so I am showing it to there. So I'll be facing this side. So you will not be able to see my face. Just see my legs, how they are moving. Yeah. What you do? You keep one toe on one napkin and the other on the other napkin and just go in and out. Slide them in and out. How do we do that? I'll show it to you. Yeah. Out, in. देखा है ना हरित भाई? Out, in, out, in, out. Make sure your hips are not elevated. They are in, body is in one line. Just do out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. I hope everybody is following. Yeah.
Please keep it simple.
Okay. So we'll do this 4 exercise again for 30 seconds in a circuit program. Everybody is ready? I can switch on the music as well as the watch. So your first workout is, again I'll show. What do? Squat, switch, squat, switch, squat, switch, squat. Yeah, fine. So your time starts now. Squat, switch, squat, switch, squat, switch, squat, switch, squat, switch, squat, switch. Keep going. Squat, switch, squat, switch, and that's it. Stop. Now second exercise. Yes, butterfly position. This you can do it on your own. Yeah. Sit down. Butterfly position. Hold both the water bottle up. Just go down. Slip down and come up. Yes. And your time starts now. Your time starts now. Come on guys, don't take any support while going down with your upper body or coming up. That's why you are holding water bottle. Speed is no concern. Do on your own speed. Just go up and down. Holding your water bottles and keeping your legs in butterfly position. And that's it. Stop. Yes. Then comes to bridge position. Just lie down, sleep on the floor. Make sure your hands are touching. Camera. Your hands are touching down. Lift up your butt and tap your toes first. Okay, your time starts. Your time starts now. Come on. Lift up. Tap. 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 Tap your heels. Keep going. Keep going. Tap your knees. And that's it. Stop. Yeah? Now the napkin workout. So each toe on each napkin. Palm plank position. Palm plank position. Yeah? And your time starts now. Come on. Legs out, legs in. Your body is straight. Don't bend your legs, don't bend your hands, don't bend your body. Just keep your legs out and in. Out and in. जो इन्होंने कोई comment हो तो. Out and in. Out and in. Out and in. बराबर? Out and in. Out and that's it. Stop. Stop. Okay. So that's a 30-second rest time. You can message right away. I'm going to repeat one more cycle of this and maybe the third one if you want. But one more cycle. So you get used to the workout whenever you are not here or I am not here and you don't need me or anybody. You can remember this workout and you can just follow. Home workouts are that's for. You can do it on your own. We have online classes going on. So all over India and out of India also, I have clients from every country and every city. So you can join our online classes as well. You can contact Ruju_fitness on Instagram for online classes, which are going on every day, regular basis. Okay, any comments? So we'll start the cycle one more time. And Your time starts now. First exercise. Squat, switch, squat, switch, squat, switch, squat. That's it. Your time's up. Second exercise with water bottle. Sit on the floor. Make butterfly with your legs. Hold the water bottle. Slip down and lift up your upper body. Your time starts now. Come on, guys. Keep going, keep going. Do not bother for the speed. Just go up and down as much as more as you can. Within 30 seconds, any number of counts are okay. And that's it. Stop. I hope you are liking the session. Next workout. Next workout. Bridge pose. Lie down. Facing the ceiling. Bend your knees. Lift up your butt. You have to tap your toes and heels and knees one by one. Your time starts now. Tap your toes. Keep going, keep going. Now tap your heels. Make sure you don't move your butt. Only keep tapping. Your butt is on a hold. And tap your knees. Tap your knees. Tap your knees. And that's it. Time's up. Napkins again. On the floor, on your palms, each toe on each napkin. Just move your napkins out and in. And your time starts now. I think this is the last session. It's 10 o'clock now. Come on, guys. It's the last session. Come on. Give your best. The workout is going to affect you only, nobody else. Do your best. Do your best. Be selfish when you do a workout. Whatever you do will affect on your body, nobody else. Do it for you. Be selfish. Do it for you. And that's it. We are done. Time's up. Guys, please give me feedback. These were the home workout highlights. We have regular classes, so we can go on, or we can, do variations, or we do so many other things also. I was told to do this kind of workout, and this was the first time I was doing. So I didn't know the capacity of the crowd also. So I went according to my gut feeling, and I just generalized the crowd, and I did it. So please give me feedback. We can do any sessions, any number of sessions beyond after your feedback, based on your feedback. So we can do so many other things. Thank you so much. It's a great pleasure to take this session. Thank you for inviting. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rujman. It was a wonderful session. Next time we will also be dressed up in the bright attire.
Yes.
To do it live with you.
True.
Thank you so much. I would now request Gianna. She has joined us to give a vote of thanks to ma'am.
I have some problem with my video. It's actually not getting started. But ma'am, your session was wonderful. It was amazing. I mean, being a beginner, the napkin exercise was a little difficult for me. But then now, this is like a target. By the end of this movement 73, I want to be a pro with this napkin exercise, and then I share a video with this, like, see, yeah, I can do it now.
Yes. You can do one thing. Everybody, whoever has joined me, just message your video to me on my Instagram. We will post it from my account. That is my promise.
Definitely.
Just send me videos doing this, any workout, and I'll post it from my account.
Definitely, ma'am. The chat box are full with the comments. Everybody has enjoyed it. It was
Thank you so
really
much.
nice. It is like a very super Sunday beginning. Thank you so much,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much. Thank you
And
so
we
much.
wish to have you soon, ma'am, again during this movement.
Thank you.
Whenever
100%.
Fitter participants and future committee members also.
Now we have reunited, so whatever he says, I'm always here.
And I guess we have a pillow there, and I
Yeah.
guess we have to use it.
Yeah, you want to?
Yeah, so definitely next time.
Next
we
time.
will
Next time.
be-
Sorry, I forgot. Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We were just going to the next session now.
Okay.